Ebonyi State has long been seen as one of the safest places in Nigeria, a place where people feel secure and don't worry much about crime. If you're considering relocating to a place where safety and security are top priorities, Ebonyi State should be at the top of your list. Known for its low crime rate and strong sense of community, Ebonyi offers a peaceful environment where residents can truly feel at ease. However, recent events have started to change that image. News on the street now is that some people were killed in Ebonyi State recently. What happened, you might want to ask? On Sunday, the police confirmed that 10 people were killed in an attack by suspected herders in an Ebonyi community. These people are said to be cattle rearers. Reports from Premium Times say that gunmen believed to be herders raided Amagu village in the Ishelu local government area early on Sunday morning. Along with the tragic loss of lives, several houses and other properties worth millions of naira were burnt down, leaving the community deeply affected. Some people even say that the attack was revenge for cattle being killed in the area, like it's a payback time, while others believe that the local security group linked to the IPOB's Eastern Security Network was responsible for the cattle death. No matter the exact reason, this event shows that clashes between herders and local communities are a recurring problem in the southeast of Nigeria. For years now, fights between herders and farmers have been a major issue in Nigeria's southeast. These conflicts often lead to deaths and the destruction of farmlands when cattle stray into fields and damage crops. In the past, many herders left Ebonyi State out of fear of such violence, though some still come into the area from neighboring states like Enugu. This recent attack raises serious questions about the future. How can these violent clashes be stopped? Because we don't want this in our dearest Ebonyi State. One idea that many people support is switching to a ranching system. With ranching, herders would have controlled areas for their cattle, right?
Back to security stories. Governor of Ebonyi State, Francis Owinfuru, has condemned the attack on the people of Amagu Nkalaha community in Ishielu local government area by suspected herdsmen. This was contained in a statement by the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Monday Uzo, emphasizing that the attack was carried out in the early hours of Sunday, which led to loss of lives and property worth millions of naira. Mr. Owinfuru described the attack as barbaric and unacceptable, promising to bring the perpetrators to justice. The governor assured that his government is committed to protecting lives and property and will not relent in its efforts to ensure peace and security in the state. Meanwhile, police in Ebonyi State have confirmed that 10 people were killed in a suspected herders attack in the state. The incident is believed to be a reprisal following the alleged killing of some cattle belonging to the herders in the area.